Good morning to all. Welcome back to English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Revati, your English teacher. So we have completed our chapter lesson 7. That's what friends are for. So today let's discuss the review of this chapter. What is the story? Yes, the Theodore is the main character in the story. He is sitting in the middle of the forest. His leg is hurt. He wants to meet his cousin, but he is at the end of the forest, and his friends bird, lion, and opossum gives his some advice. The birds and lion give some foolish ideas, but at last the opossum gives the best advice to Theodore. What is the advice? The friends can search his cousin and bring back with him. So at last what happened? Yes, all the friends search his cousin at the end of the forest and bring back with him. Okay, so what is the moral we learn from this story? Yes, to give advice is very easy, but friends can do much more. And we have discussed two new words and meanings. What are the words? Yes, the first one, advice. What is the meaning of advice? A good idea or helpful words. And second word, nonsense. What's mean by nonsense? Yes, advice which has no meaning. Advice which has no meaning. So you have to study two new words and meaning, advice and nonsense. And we have discussed the question answer. In this chapter we have to study three question answer. The first question, why is Theodore sad? Why is Theodore sad? Yes, Theodore is sad because he has hurt his leg and he cannot walk to meet his cousin. And second question, friends are here to help. Who gives this advice? Who gives this advice? Yes, the opossum gives this advice. What is the spelling of opossum? Yes, O-P-O-S-S-U-M. And how do the friends help Theodore? The friends help Theodore by bringing his cousin to meet him from the end of the forest. And in this chapter, we have discussed one grammar topic, that is article. We discussed two articles in this chapter. What are they? Yes, a and an. A used before the consonants words and an used before the vowel sound. Which are the vowel sounds in English? A, E, I, O, U. Orange. A orange or an orange. Yes, an orange. Yes, here we use an orange. Why? Yes, here the word orange begins with vowel sound. So, an orange. Pen. Which article here we use? A or an? A pen, because the word begins with a consonant sound p.
An elephant, an opossum, a bird, a lion, an eagle, a pan, a fly, an umbrella, an orange, a book, a glass, a monkey.
And in the vocabulary section, we have discussed the animals and their homes. Okay, I have attached a lots of animals and their home. Studied very well. And where did bee lives? Yes, bee lives in hive, bee hives. And where did spider lives? Spider lives in web. Where did lion lives? Yes, lion lives in den. And where did ant lives? Ant lives in ant hill. In the vocabulary section, we also discussed some words and their opposites. What is the opposite of near? Yes, far. And big opposite? Small. Hot opposite? Cold. Old opposite? New. And in this chapter, we had discussed speaking and writing section. In speaking section, we have discussed the usage of can and cannot.
We use can to talk about things that we are able to do. We use cannot or can't to talk about things that we are not able to do.
I can speak English. I cannot speak French. I can dance, but I cannot sing. I can play piano, I can't play guitar. And in the writing section, we discuss how to describe a picture.
The butterfly is a small insect that can fly. It has 6 legs. It has 4 wings. It is one of the most beautiful insects in the world. I love butterflies. Like this, you can describe a picture. Practice it very well. Here you can see another picture how to describe this picture. This is a park. The children are playing. The girl is reading a book. One boy is jumping happily. Another boy is pulling the cart. Everybody is looking happy.
And we have discussed the exercise from the workbook from the page number 13 and 14. I hope all of you completed that work and all of you study the meaning, question answer and the grammar topic article. I have attached a review test of this chapter. Okay, so all of you attend the test and send it as hands only. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.